Hello Kabalay! Another day, another real estate video mga Kabalay. Kabalay, up to this time ba naghahanap ka pa rin ng malilipatan na house and lot for your family? Are you looking for a property na ang location is malapit sa SLEX, MCX, Evia Mall, Daang Hari, near Las Piñas, and near Metro Manila? Kung naghahanap ka Kabalay ng area within Cavite, meron ako dito sa may Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. We are featuring right now the Cutting Place 5, Bacoor, Cavite. Kabalay, tara, samahan nyo ako, mag-house tour tayo. Kabalay, ito yung ating community na i-feature ngayon, ang Cutting Place 5. Ang Cutting Place 5, Kabalay, as you can see, is a livable community. Napakaliit lang ng community ito, Kabalay. No? Nasa 4 hectares lang and 200 units lang ang itatayo dito. Livable na yung community. No, basically may mga nakatira na, no? May mga ongoing construction tayo dito, ready for occupancy or RFO na inner unit, end unit, and corner unit, Kabalay. So Kabalay, kung naghahanap ka ng unit na pwede agad makalipat in less than 2 months, you can consider this Cutting Place 5, no? As your option. So I will guide you, I will assess you, no, from documentation up to turnover, no, para mag-guide kita at makakuha ka ng unit dito sa Cutting Place 5. Mag-start tayo dito sa ating entrance gate. So ito yung ating mismong main entrance gate, may entrance and exit yan, no, dahil ongoing construction pa lang, ang ginagamit pa lang dito is yung pinaka main entrance. So mapapansin nyo sa labas dyan is may mga cab na dyan going to SM Bacoor. No, ang daan niyan is papuntang Jollibee Molino going to Molino Boulevard. Sa labas din niyan, meron diyan mga sakayan ng jeep papuntang South Mall and Beer Gold going to Las Piñas. So, sa entrance gate natin, excuse me mga Kabalay. So, puntahan natin yung mga dito sa block na to. This is yung block 2, block 3, and block 4. Sa block 3, basically mga Kabalay, mostly nakalipat na. No? Madaming nakalipat dito. Itong nasa back ko, this is a RFO unit, a corner unit. So if you wanted to have the sample competition and mabili nyo to, I can discuss with you and send you the full details. So ang orientation ng ating RFO na corner unit, malapit siya mismo, as in malapit siya dito mismo sa entrance gate and malapit siya dito sa ating business center. Actually, Kabalay, dito sa community natin sa Cutting Place 5, kahit maliit yung community natin, merong business center dito tayo. So initially may O-Save na itatayo dito, mas malapit sa inyo, no? Yung mga gantong convenience store or mga businesses kung gusto niyo maglagay dito. Yan, especially kung kayo homeowners dito, mas kayo ang priority na makapag-avail dito ng leasing. So ito yung ating corner lot. Yan, Kabalay. So puntahan natin yung ibang units natin dito just to give you an idea about the property, no, sa ating community. So this one may mga naka-avail na ng mga units dito, no, for turnover na lang din yan. Iba dyan is nakalipat na. Ito yung ating business center. Yan, Kabalay. Ito yung ating end unit na available din. Orientation niya is morning sun, and then malapit siya sa business center and malapit siya sa may gate. So dito naman, pagpunta naman na nandito yung mga ongoing constructions natin ng mga inner unit. So basically, yung mga inner unit natin is naka-ongoing construction, which simply means naka 6 months yung kanyang term sa down payment. And yung kanyang promo right now is you can avail at least 2 aircon compared sa ating end unit at corner unit. Ang laki ng discount natin. I will discuss this later. So this portion na to, yung ating mga corner ongoing constructions. So basically, livable na yung community, may mga nakalipat na, mga Kabalay, no? So ang price natin dito for inner unit is 6.2 M, for end unit 8.8, and for 8.8 I mean, and then for our corner unit, Kabalay, is depende yun sa size, but basically, syempre mas malaki yung size ng ating unit, mas mataas yung price na ating i-avail. Hello po. Then again, kabalay, itong corner unit natin, available pa rin ito. No, as I send you the full details. I do have other videos, kabalay, na featuring itong corner unit natin. But for this time, I gonna show you muna yung community itself ng Katim Place 5. So ito yung pinaka main road natin. Yan, kabalay. So ito yung ating corner lot, available din to, isang corner lot na to. Dito, kabalay, available din tong corner lot na to. This one, available din. Yan. So yung ating, hello sir, itong ating clubhouse. Yan, and sales office. So nandito yung block 3, block 4. No? Nandito naman yung ating block 6 sa side na to. Okay? Block 5 and block 6. Puntahan naman natin yung sa part na itatayo yung basketball court and yung ating model number 3. Actually, kabalay, meron tayo dito tatlong models. Model number 1, yung mga first batch, sold out na yon. Model number 2, yun yung pa sa block 2 and block 3, block 4. And then yung model number 3 dito sa bagong block natin na malapit sa basketball court. So ito yung portion na to, dito itatayo yung pinaka basketball court natin. So bawat pa pupunta doon, ito yung mga ongoing constructions naman for the model number 3. Yan. So livable na rin yung ating community, kabalay. As you can see, yan, madami nang nakatira dito. Yan, kabalay. So kabalay, yan yung ating quick community tour sa ating Katim Place 5 Bacoor, Cavite. Let's talk about the price of the units. No, as discussed, ang ating inner unit dito, kabalay, is naka 6 months terms, no? But if you wish na RFO or ready for occupancy, pwede mong ma-avail yung end unit natin na may 617,000 na discount. Napakalaki, 264 lang yung magiging cash out. And pwede ka na malipat in less than 2 months. So, kabalay, for the specific details ng ating Katim Place 5, you can comment down below or directly contact me on my email and social media accounts, kabalay, and also through my mobile number to Viber and WhatsApp at 0962-526-2044, kabalay. So again, kabalay, for any house viewing details about the property ng ating Katim Place 5 reservation, I'm here to assist you. Okay, kabalay, that's the end of our quick tour. This is your Kabalay JM Balog. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay. See you here, kabalay, and mag-ingat po tayo lagi.